first bring our feet together or as close together as is comfortable. Whole body relaxed and quiet. Beginning with the 8 verses meditation. Head touching the sky. Feet stepping on earth. As the body relaxes, the mind expands. Be respectful and quiet. The mind is clear, appearance humble. No distracting thoughts. The mind expands into infinite space. The mind shines deeply and inwardly into the body. Entire body is harmonized with Qi. Harmonized with Qi. We step on Qi to open both feet to shoulder width. Ensuring the feet are parallel to each other, we begin with our Qi squats. Bending at the knees, we bring the body down, 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 down to wherever is comfortable. We raise up, tailbone tip back and up, tailbone tip down, forward and up, rolling the spine, one vertebrae at a time. Last to come up is the head. Arms follow. Continue. Warming up the spine for our Qi core improvement practice. The knees do not pass the toes. Allow the cervical vertebrae movement to also be simultaneous with the shoulder roll. Let the arms, chest, and shoulders be completely relaxed. As we squat down, the weight will be more on the heels. The knees should not come towards each other and should be parallel to the center of both feet. Today's practice is based on relaxation, so not necessary to have the full stretch to go to maximum. If we feel as we raise up that we are losing our balance, holding our breath, we may want to not go as far down. The focus is on the pelvic tilt. Remembering as we raise up, tailbone tip back and up, tailbone tip down, forward and up. A few more. Very good. And last, from the starting position, we begin with section 1, rolling the spine forward and backward. We go a little bit at an angle. We're going to open the right foot to the 45-degree angle. Turn to the front right, bring the left toe to the right heel. Turn to face the front, lift the left knee, straighten lower left leg, and step forward. Instep of the front foot is in a line with the back heel or one fist width away, pelvis facing front. With little fingers, we hold chi up as we turn the palms forward and upward. Raising the arms up here, the body weight is balanced on both feet, and we stretch. We lower the hands down in front of the face, neck, chest, bringing hands to close in front of the chest as we shift our weight back. Tailbone tip back and up, tailbone tip down, forward and up. Keeping chin tucked in. We bring the hands to third eye, turn the palms to face the sky. We raise up at center stretch. Shift forward, bending the front leg. Bringing the head down. Again, based on relaxation, we shift back. Tailbone tip back and up, tailbone tip down, forward and up. Rolling the spine, one vertebrae at a time. Weight on the back leg. We raise up, stretch, continue. 2. Going as far down as is comfortable as we shift the weight back. Tailbone tip back and up, tailbone tip down, forward and up. And last. Feeling the stretch in the spine, tucking in lower abdomen. Shifting the weight as we raise up, rolling the spine, one vertebrae at a time. At center, stretch. Here we reverse. Shift the weight back, tuck in chin, turn palms to face the body. We lower the hands down, rolling the spine down, down, down. Again, based on relaxation, we shift forward. Bending the front leg, tuck in lower abdomen, palms facing outward, shoulders relaxed. Again, shift the weight to the back leg, tuck the chin, hands facing the body. Rolling the spine down, one vertebrae at a time. Shift forward. Up. Body weight centered, stretch. Shift back. Tuck in chin, palms facing the body. Bringing the body down, down, down. Shift forward. Feel the lengthening of the spine. At center, we stretch. Keep the body centered. We turn the palms to face the body as we bring the hands down to rest underneath the breastbone. From here, we're going to pivot to the other side. To pivot, we're going to bring the left foot to the back as we open to the 45-degree angle. Turn towards the front left with the big toe to the left heel. Pivot to the front, lift the right knee, straighten the lower right leg, and we step forward. Lift the right knee, straighten the lower right leg, and we step forward. Again, pelvis facing front, instep of the front foot in parallel to the back heel or one fist in between. Now continuing from the front, we're going to shift our weight back. Bring the hands to chest level as the tailbone tip goes back and up, tailbone tip down, forward and up, tuck the chin. Roll the spine, one vertebrae at a time. As we raise up, center, stretch. Bend the front leg. Shift forward.
Down. Shift the weight back, tailbone tip back and up, tailbone tip down, forward and up. Rolling the spine.